Merry, 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 Merry Christmas! It's December already, my friends. It's time for us to get into holiday spirit. And if you're thinking about getting crafty with your gift, this video is right for you because I'm gonna introduce you top 5, not 20, not 100, it's too many, only 5 Christmas gift ideas for you to prepare. And where this idea from? We actually did some research in our Facebook group where people always share their creative ideas and make some project with our laser machines. And sometimes when I look up all the amazing gifts, I was like, that's pretty cool. Why not just make a video to talk about it? As our audience always fascinating with making personalized gifts for their family. So this video you might like to share with someone as a helpful hint. So what are they? What's the top 5 gifts? I'm gonna introduce you one by one and quickly show you how to make them. So let's just dive right in. Okay, let's start with the smallest one. Let's go find out what is inside. Wow! It's Christmas ball! I know it's a small gift, but pretty much every family needs it to decorate its Christmas tree. And how to do it? Just use our M1 machine and R2 Pro to engrave some certain pattern on it. Let's just do it. The Christmas ball is ready! It's very cute. I mean, you can also make them in batch to sell them to your neighborhood or craft shop to make some extra money as a small business. And M1 machine, I have to mention that it's the first blade and laser module in the whole global market. We're gonna show you how to cut through the materials with blade head very soon. Please stay with us. And for more information, you can check out the link in the description. Okay, let's check out this red one. It's the lovely Christmas mug. And same story, you need the R2 Pro to engrave this kind of cylindrical objects such as tumbler, mug, or glasses. So, and for the laser machine, you can use M1 or xTool D1 Pro. And this time, we're gonna try D1 Pro. It feels so good to have a cup of tea sitting next to the fireplace while it's snowing outside. What a lovely afternoon! And in China, we prefer to drink hot water in the winter. I know that's not very common for many of you, but maybe just give it a go and let me know how do you feel in the comment. Okay, let's move on to the next gift. Wow! A lovely hat with my name on it! You can just prepare a normal hat, but this name tag makes everything personalized. And today we're gonna use xTool D1 Pro to engrave my name on this leatherette patch. Attention, leatherette is not a real leather, it's an artificial one. We are trying to be eco-friendly. Okay, shall we go? Don't you think this customized gift is much more glamorous than the one you buy in the store? It's not about the price, it's about the person your gift is given to. It only takes you a few minutes, but shows your authentic love to that person. And xTool D1 Pro is the fastest laser engraver in the global market. Trust me, you'll like to check out the information below. And alright, we got 2 gifts left. Wow, I mean the 2 biggest one ever. I'm so excited. Guys, oh my god, look at this! I really love it! Dun 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 dun! They are shining on there! So for the pattern on your clothes, you need this material, it's called vinyl. So xTool got 2 different kinds of vinyl. The first one is the self-adhesive. So our customers like to cut through vinyl with M1 machine and stick them onto their mugs, onto their laptop as a sticker. And the second one is the one we're gonna use today, is the heat transfer vinyl, which means you're gonna use an iron or heat transfer machine to hot stamp them on your clothes. Okay? Let's do a pattern with this vinyl. Ooh, man, it looks so dope. I mean, holy shit. Just imagine to wear this during the family reunion on Christmas Eve. That would be super sweet. And before, when we were doing the live stream, we made a similar one. We put our logo on it, and that caused a flurry of excitement. Our audience really fancied them. So by the way, we do live stream every Wednesday in the PT time, 6 p.m. on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And now, what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna introduce you the really last one. The biggest gift for today, the top 1 Christmas gift. I really don't know what it is because they didn't really tell me. We have so many different options, but let's go check it out. Dun, it's a Christmas music box. Isn't it nice enough to play some gentle, beautiful music before you go to bed on the Christmas Eve? After having so many food, drinks, and laughs, you definitely need a music box to have a moment, make a wish, and hope next year will treat us much better. And all these amazing gifts are the stocking stuff ideas I like to get. And all the files you can find out on our software project center, which is xTool Creative Space. And all the materials will be linked down in the description. Okay, this is Kai, and I hope you have a glorious time with your family on the Christmas Eve. And we all deserve to be happy. Last but not the least, I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!